Arfa Karim, the youngest Microsoft certified professional. Arfa Karim was born on February 2, 1995. She was a famous Pakistani student and computer prodigy who, in the year of 2004 at the age of 9 became the youngest Microsoft certified professional MCP. She kept this title until the year of 2008. Arfa represented the state of Pakistan on several global forums involving the Tech Developers Conference. She also got the President's Award for Pride of Performance on Science Park in the city of Lahore. The Arfa Software Technology Park was termed after her. She was also invited by Bill Gates to visit Microsoft headquarters in the USA. She passed away on the day of January 14, 2012, aged 16, following a cardiac arrest. Early life of Arfa Karim. Arfa was born in a Punjabi family of Randhawa clan of Jat from the village of Chapno for JB Diwali in the city of Faisalabad, Pakistan. After coming back to Pakistan from a visit to Microsoft headquarters, Arfa provided various television and newspaper interviews. S. Somosiger, the vice president of Microsoft's software development division, wrote over her in his blog. On the day of August 2, 2005, Arfa Karim was awarded with the Fatima Jannah Gold Medal in the field of science and technology. She also got the Salam Pakistan Youth Award again in the month of August 2005 from the President of Pakistan. Arfa Karim is also the recipient of the President's Award. She is the youngest recipient of this award. Arfa Karim was declared the ambassador for Pakistan telecommunication company 3G wireless broadband service EVO in the year of January 2010. Representation at global forums. Arfa represented its country Pakistan on several global forums and was invited by the Pakistan Information Technology Professionals Forum for a stay of 2 weeks in the place of Dubai. A dinner reception was made for her there, which was attended by the dignitaries of Dubai involving the ambassador of Pakistan. During that tour, Arfa was presented with several awards and gifts involving laptop. In the year of November 2006, Arfa attended the Tech Ed Developers Conference themed Get Ahead of the Game arranged in Barcelona on an invitation from Microsoft. She was the mere Pakistani among 5,000 developers in that conference. Cardiac arrest and death. In the year of 2011, at the age of 16, Arfa was studying at the Lahore Grammar School Paragon campus in her second year of A-levels. On the day of December 22, 2011, suddenly she suffered a cardiac arrest after an epileptic seizure that completely damaged her brain and was admitted to Lahore's Combined Military Hospital CMH in serious condition. On the day of January 13, 2012, Arfa began to show improvement and some parts of her brain indicated signs of improvement. Arfa lost her life in hospital at Lahore on the day of January 14, 2012, aged 16. Her funeral, which was arranged on the following day, was attended by the Chief Minister of Punjab Shahbaz Sharif. She was then buried at her village Chapno for JB Diwali, Faisalabad City. Arfa Software Technology Park. On the day of January 15, 2012, Chief Minister Shahbaz Sharif declared that the name of Lahore Technology Park would be modified to Arfa Software Technology Park.